Radio, thanks for watching my video. Now, would I recommend doing this again? Like, if I had a choice, would I do it again? I probably would. I I like to save money. Um, I'm on a really tight budget, so um, where I can save money, I'll do it. Now, the Nissan Terrano is quite uncommon in my country just due to the age of the vehicle and finding parts for it. You can find parts for it. It's not unobtainium, but if it goes in a wrecking yard, like any four-wheel drive, it's quite a popular vehicle. It's got a following. So all those parts are likely to be snagged. Like all those parts are likely to be snagged within like maybe a week or two. Um, so you got to be quick. And I live in a really rural area of the country, quite isolated. It's about 2 hours drive to the next major center. So yeah, like my kind of options are quite limited. So yeah, um, yeah. I mean, it's more like a case by case basis. Like if the job comes up, um, and say it's like a vehicle that you that's really nice looking, or maybe it's just way too complex, like way beyond your abilities, then I think the best idea is to get a panel cut, or like if like panel cuts are easy as to come by, um, for like the vehicle that I'm sitting in right now, which is a A101 Toyota Corolla. Those are dime a dozen in the wrecking yards, and they just sit for ages. So they'll be easy as to find a panel cut for. So if it's all about like supply at the end of the day, and the cost of things. So if you can afford to do it, I would recommend doing it because it's much easier. If you want to improve your skills, or um, you maybe um, you just want to be like an awesome panel beater, then give it a shot. Give it a shot. If you have no money, well, if you have if you have a very tight budget, and but you have a flux core welder and a bit of steel, and you have time, and the vehicle that you're working on, you have another vehicle that you can use in the meantime. um, I reckon go for it. At the end of the day, all I can say to you is, yeah, think it through, run it through like Chat GPT, spend a lot of time deciding whether or not you can do it. Um, I really think that you can do it. Like, I mean, if I can do it, then anybody can do it. So I recommend just having a good hard think, and take your time. Don't rush it. Don't make a decision in like 5 minutes. Um, think about it.